Hello everyone. Here I am here I am bringing this video about how to run C++ in Windows 11. So currently I am running Windows 11, and if you follow along this video you will be able to run C++ in Visual Studio Code. So let's get on to it. First of all, you need to go to this link, which I will put it down in the description below, and download the mingw file for your C++. Uh, I recommend you downloading this one for your 32 or 64-bit system. And after you click on it, it will be downloaded here, which I have already downloaded. So, So here is it. And after downloading, you need to open this and run it. And you need to remove all this except the C colon and the backslash and install it. After installing it, you need to go to this PC, go to your C, and after that go to mingw, then go to bin. After that you need to copy this path, address, then again go back to this PC and click on the empty space. After that you need to go to properties. After that something like this will open, and you need to go to environment, edit the system environment variables. After that you can go to environment variables, then edit, then path. After that you need to click on edit and then new, and then paste it in here. After that you can close everything, and now we need to check if your compiler runs or not. For that, go to command prompt, then type g++ minus minus version. If you see something similar to this, then it means it is ready to run on your system. So now let us go to Visual Studio Code. If you do not have Visual Studio Code already installed on your system, go to Google and download Visual Studio Code free download, and then follow the link. Follow the link and download it for your system. If you need a tutorial on how to download it to Windows, do ask in the comments and I shall upload another video for it. So let's go to Visual Studio Code, and now you need to go to the extension menu, and for here you need to download a code runner, install a code runner. You can and then a C++ runner. So after that we are ready to run the C++ code. So for that, let's go to file and create a new file. We shall name it tutorial.cpp. We shall create a new file. We shall create a new file, and then we need to select C++. Afterwards, here we can write the code and see if we can. Cout. So you need to save this file and then run it. And now we can see the output here. So thank you for following along this tutorial. If you find this video useful, do give a like and comment down below what new things you want to see. Thank you.